So YouTube is a great platform for creating an audience to buy your products and services. But you have to know what type of content to create to get them to actually convert. As a business owner here on YouTube, your content is going to look slightly different, or actually very different, from the lifestyle and vlogging creators that you see here on YouTube. So that's why I wanted to give you 4 video ideas today to add to your YouTube strategy to get you more sales. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because this is a series that I'm doing this whole month on how to get more sales from your YouTube videos. Now, the first video that I wanted to talk about is the welcome to my YouTube channel video. Now, I was actually late with this video. I literally created the video like 4 or 5 months after I created my actual YouTube channel, but this should be one of the first videos that you're posting, because then when people come to your channel, they can see what your channel is going to be about, and it's just a quick overview of what you're going to be talking about and why they should be subscribing. It's kind of like an elevator pitch. So instead of looking around in your channel, they can just look at this welcome video and decide whether they want to subscribe or not from that. And then once they subscribe, then they're in your sort of YouTube ecosystem. And from there, they'll get notified when you're posting videos. And then from there, you can nurture the person into becoming a paying client or whatever you want them to be. When you're creating YouTube content, just think of your YouTube page as another landing page like your website. Except for this one works for you 24/7. So again, the welcome video is just there to teach people what you're doing. The second type of video that you should definitely have on your channel is sales videos. Now, this can be a video sales letter or a look inside of my course video. And basically this video gives like an overview of your services, or how people can actually work with you. This is really good to add to any series that you're talking about your service or products, just in case they have more questions and they didn't click on your website. It's just another chance for them to find this video and actually interact with it. And this also goes back to making your YouTube some sort of sales page as a business owner. Now, I would not make these type of videos your main type of content, because you just don't want to make your YouTube channel a place where you just sell. You also want to educate and nurture, but having a few on there doesn't hurt. What I actually did with my sales videos is I have 2, and you can go look on my channel when you're done, but I actually added a how you can work with me section, and I have 2 sales videos down there, and every time I have a new product or a new service offering, I will be putting it down there. Another way you can get more eyeballs to the sales video is you can actually add it to your returning viewers section on YouTube. So when viewers return to your channel, this is one of the first videos that they see. So if they were thinking about working with you, it's just strategically putting it in a place where they will always see it. The next type of video that I want to talk about is a frequently asked questions video. Now, this is top of funnel content right here. So this type of content gets people from being a looker, or them being in the consideration phase, to them getting to the decision in the buyer phase. These videos position you as an expert, and they remove any doubt from your client's mind that you're the person to work with. And also, since we are here on YouTube, do not put every single frequently asked question that you ever got inside of one video. Break the videos down into separate topics so that people have multiple different ways to find that video. And then what you can do is you can actually make a series. Name your series on, whatever your field is. So my series is called Outsourcing Video Editing Masterclass. So you could take that and you could apply it to whatever your field is. And then for every single video that you do, try your very best to explain in the best way that you know how and provide lots of value. And that's another way that people are going to come over and convert. And another video that I wanted to talk about, it's kind of like the frequently asked questions video, but these videos talk specifically about your process, so process videos. So referring back to me as a video editor, I did a how do I onboard my video editing clients process video. I currently see no other video on YouTube like that. Maybe it's somewhere around here, but I haven't found it. But I did see graphic designers And I saw other creatives create videos like that. So I was like, maybe I should do a video on my process, because that's actually another question that I get is, what exactly is the process once, we book the call, or once we actually start working together. And then another thing to add with these frequently asked question videos and these process videos is they can also be sent inside of your nurture sequences in your emails. So for example, with my outsourcing video editing masterclass, or with my onboarding process video, I put a few of these videos inside of the 3 to 4 emails that go out when people book the call. So before they come on the call with me, these videos are going out to them so they can have more information to actually decide to work with me. Now, I got a little off topic there, but back to the process video. Unless you have a super secret that nobody can know, then this is actually a really good video to post. First of all, most people who actually watch the video are not going to implement the information if you're worried about anybody stealing it, because just think about all the courses that you bought and they just sat there for years. Sometimes I buy courses and I don't get to them for months. It's unfortunate to say that a lot of people have been burned by service providers, coaches, and business owners. So it's really important to have some sort of trust factor. And videos such as the process videos and the frequently asked questions videos, they really help you stand out. And it shows that you know what you're doing and you're just not winging it with people's hard-earned money, So I actually created an ebook with 40 different videos, just like the ones that I mentioned here, that converts viewers into sales. And it gives you 40 different video ideas just like this, as well as call to action that you can add at the end of the video. So if you're interested in that, the link should be in the description box by the time I post this video. But if it's not, don't worry, it's definitely coming soon. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next week when I talk about how to script videos that convert to sales.